Hey everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to sign up for YouTube TV. Okay, now the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open your browser. Then I want you to search for YouTube TV, just like so. Then hit the first option you will get. Once you go to this option right here you can simply click on try 10 days for $0 or sign in. Here, my case, I'll simply click on try 10 days for $0. Then I'm going to choose any one of my Google accounts. And now once you choose the account that you actually want to sign in with, here you can see that you have signed in. You can simply click on start the free trial. And this is how we can actually sign up for it. Now you should choose the plan. Here we have two plans, the base plan and the Spanish plan. But here in my case, I have only the base plan because the Spanish plan isn't actually available in my region. You can see here when you click on more info, you can see all the channels that are actually included inside this plan. Once you are satisfied with this plan, simply click on next. If you have a promo code, you can type it right here. Simply, I'm gonna click on next, and here you have it. You can add to your plan a specific add-on, 4K Plus, for example, HBO Max, NFL Red Zone with Sports Plus, NFL Sunday Ticket. However, I'm gonna add the 4K Plus, for example. Then I'm gonna click on checkout, and I will see how much money will I pay for this add-on and this plan. And actually, I'm gonna pay about $55. Yes, $55 or something about about this price. I'm gonna pay about $55. That's pretty much good. And now it will ask you to provide your payment information, so you'll have to enter your credit card information or any payment method actually that you have, your credit or debit card. So this depends on which payment method that you are going to choose. And that is it for our today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and see you in a new video.